Hi everyone, welcome back to my new videos. I want to have different colors of bridal Lolita dress. So I turning one dress into multiple dresses by changing the accessories on the dress and my hair accessories. So the accessories on the dress, I made them detachable. So I just make different colors of accessories to make the dress look different. If you have one bridal dress or any white dresses, if you want it to have a different look, you just adding accessories, just adding different styles or different colors of accessories. So I'm turning the white dress into red, purple, and champagne. So you can paint those accessories on any part of your dress. I kind of feel like the two bottom accessories is a little bit too low. I should paint it higher. I think it's too low. Please make comments which color of bridal dress you like the most. I like the purple one the most. Let's start this video. You don't need a sewing machine to make those accessories. You just need needle and thread, different kinds of ribbons and pearls and flowers and just anything that you want to make this as accessories. So this is the original dress, and I'm just removing all the decorations, all the bows, and I'm still keeping the original accessories for the dress. I think I said before, I want to decorate the dress with bows and flowers. So the first one is the champagne color, and you just hand sew everything on. You could use hot glue, but if you want it last long, it's better to hand sew them on. So those accessories are all detachable, so I sew the pin on and I just pin it on the dress. So this way you can have one dresses in different colors. This is my favorite one in this video. I just use the same method and in different colors. I love the purple. My husband likes this dress the most out of the three. I made the hair accessories. Check it out. The link is in the description box. And the third one, I just make it red, and you probably can tell that it has a gold edge on the red, even though the color is different than the original dress, but it's got the gold decoration, so it will match the dress. It works. And I also made the accessory for my shoes. So this is the final look. So as you can tell, I added the overlay over the dress, so the dress look a lot of fancier. And also I'm adding 3-meter fabric over my shoulder. It looks like a cape, right? You can also use it as a veil. You can just sew the fabric on your hair accessories, then it'll look like a veil. There's just a lot of ways to decorate your dress, so you don't have to buy a lot of different dresses. So I hope you're enjoying this video, and I'll see you in next video soon. Bye bye.